Hello everyone and welcome back to Jeffy Unboxing. If you're new here, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing before leaving this video. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite little things to unbox, and it is the Earfleek earring subscription. This is my favorite because it is by far the cheapest subscription box I've ever seen, and what it is one pair of earrings for $3.50 a month. So every month we get our little pink container, and inside of it is a little goodie bag. Every bag always ends up coming with this little piece of paper that says the retail value, and it always says the suggested retail price is $15.99, which is bullshit. It really is just truly bullshit. There's no way that these earrings would sell for that at the store, but the subscription box is only $3.50, and I do believe that these earrings are worth $3.50. I'm very happy with the ones we got this month. They're like little planets, and they're just little stud earrings, but I really like these. I think they're very unique and I think they're very fun, so very happy with our earrings this time. Last time we got these weird eyeball earrings and they freaked me the fuck out, but other than that, like, I've been generally pretty happy with the subscription box, so of course we're gonna keep doing it. They have some really cool ones. They kind of show you on the website what the possibilities are, and one of the possibilities is a unicorn, so I'm really hoping that we get lucky and get a unicorn here soon. But regardless, I've been pretty satisfied with everything they've sent us so far. So thanks for joining me, and hopefully I will see you again soon.